This is Biology for Grade 10, produced by Tigray Education Bureau, transmitted by Dimtsi Weyane Tigray National and FM radio satellites and social media, and also FM Maqala 104.4.
Hello students, this is Biology for Grade 10, prepared by Hagos Amara, presented by Sannait Tesfai. Our today's lesson is about the organs of homeostasis. The students, after this lesson, you will be able to list organs of homeostasis, to explain functions of organisms of homeostasis, to name the parts of kidney, to list the functions of liver. Students, do you have an idea about the organs of homeostasis? Kidney, liver, and skin are organs of homeostasis. Organs of homeostasis helps us to keep internal condition. Organs of homeostasis able to make normal functions and stable. Kidney as organ of homeostasis. Kidney involves in excretion of waste products and secretion of hormones. It involves in maintaining water by gaining and losing. Gaining means gaining water from food we eat, water we drink, and so on. And losing water means due to gas exchange, sweating, and so on. Students, see the structure of the kidney on your textbook on page 131. Students, did you observe it? Good. Kidney has a bean-shaped structure. It is reddish-brown in color, has two blood vessels called renal vein and renal artery. Renal artery carries oxygenated blood from heart to kidney, and renal vein carries deoxygenated blood from kidney to heart. Kidney has two parts, the outer and the inner. The outer part is called cortex, and the inner part is called medulla. Kidney filters the blood and removes material which are not needed from the urine. Kidneys are made up of tiny microscopic tubules or nephrons. Role of the different areas of a single kidney tubule in the production of urine. Bowman's capsule. The expanded end of a kidney tubule or nephron that acts as a filter to produce urine. It is the site of ultrafiltration of blood. Ultrafiltration is the removal of excess water and other substances from the blood. Glomerulus is the net of blood vessels in Bowman's capsule where the pressure builds up so that ultrafiltration occurs. First coiled is the place where much of the reabsorption takes place. The liquid which enters the first tube is known as glomerulus filtrate. Groomless filtrate is the liquid resulting in Bowman's capsule. Loop of Henle, a place where the urine is concentrated and more water is reabsorbed. Second coil tubule, where the main water balancing is done. If the body is shortage of water, more is reabsorbed in blood in this tubule under the influence of antidiuretic hormones. Diuresis means passing urine, so antidiuresis means preventing or reducing urine flow. Antidiuretic hormones produced by the pituitary gland that reduce the production of urine in kidney and thereby prevents water loss. Collecting duct, where urine is collected. It contains about 1% of original water with no glucose at all. The level of salt in the urine will depend on the amount of salt in our diet and the water content of the urine. There is also much higher concentration of urea in urine than in blood. Urine is formed constantly in our kidney and it drops down to collect in our bladder. The bladder is much muscular sac, which can hold 600 to 800 centimeter cube urine. We can control the opening of the bladder by a strong ring of muscle known as sphincter at the entrance of our urethra. Urethra, a duct through which urine is discharged. If the water content of the blood is too low, that means the salt concentration of blood increases. Our brain detects this by a special sense of organ known as osmoreceptors. Osmoreceptors are specialized nerve cells responsible for monitoring the osmotic pressure of the blood and extracellular fluids. Students, I will ask you some questions. Question number 1. What is ultrafiltration? What is ultrafiltration? The answer is ultrafiltration is the removal of excess water and other substances from the blood. Question number 2. What is the function of renal artery? What is the function of renal artery? Answer. Renal arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to kidney. Question number 3. What are osmoreceptors? What are osmoreceptors? Answer. Osmoreceptors are specialized nerve cells responsible for monitoring the osmotic pressure of the blood and extracellular fluids. Students, now let's proceed to next topic. The next topic is skin as an organ of homeostasis. The function of skin in homeostasis is to balance water and salt in our body during exercise to lose heat from our body. Liver as organ of homeostasis. Liver plays a large role in maintaining a constant internal environment. The liver has a very specialized blood supply. A large number of reactions takes place in liver. Many of them are involved in homeostasis in one or another, such as control the sugar level of the body through stored glycogen in the liver, controlling and balancing the fat we eat and the cholesterol level in our blood, protein metabolism, that means liver break down excess amino acids and forms urea. Breakdown of worn out red blood cells, in particular the red pigment of hemoglobin. The formation of bile, control of toxins, and temperature control. Students, I will ask you questions. Question number 1. List the organ of homeostasis. List the organ of homeostasis. Answer: skin, liver, and kidneys are organs of homeostasis. Question number 2. Name the two parts of kidney. Name the two parts of kidney. Answer: renal arteries and renal veins are the two parts of the kidney. Question number 3. List two roles or functions of liver. List two roles or functions of liver. Answer: liver has a role in controlling sugar level in the body by storing glycogen. Liver controlling and balancing the fat we eat and cholesterol level in our blood. In liver takes place breakdown of excess amino acids and forms urea. Liver breakdown of worn out red blood cells. In liver takes place formation of bile. Liver controls toxins and temperature of the body. Question number 4. What is antidiuresis? What is antidiuresis? Answer: antidiuresis is a means of preventing or reducing urine flow. Students, have you answered the questions correctly? Good. Now, let's summarize our today's topic. Kidney, liver, and skin are organs of homeostasis. Kidney has different roles, such as excretion of waste products and secretion of hormones. Skin have role in balancing water and salt in our body. Kidney has a reddish-brown color. Each kidney has two blood vessels called renal artery and renal veins. Glomerular filtrate is the liquid resulting in bonus capsule. Reabsorption of water from blood takes place by antidiuretic hormones. Students, please do the exercise on page 138 up to 139. Next week, we will learn Unit 4 about food making and growth in plants. That's all we have for today. Until then, goodbye everyone.